Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya if you are new and viewing. In today's video, I'm going to be installing this wig, and today's hair comes from KriyyaHair, so I do want to say thank you to them for sending over today's wig. So this one has a faux scalp in it, and my goal was to install this wig and make it look as natural as possible, as if I had a 13x4 or 13x6 lace frontal on. I do find it a little bit difficult to install the faux scalp units, so my goal was to try and show you guys today how to install these units with the faux scalp and limited lace space and make them look as natural as possible. I think I did a pretty good job, so hopefully you guys will like it too, and if you are interested in seeing that, make sure you continue to watch. And of course, before we jump into it, hit the notification bell as well, subscribe to my channel, and then you can follow me on my socials. They're going to be on my screen and they'll be in my description bar below. Now we can go ahead and jump into today's video. Okay y'all, so before we jump into the video, I do want to say that all of the wig information will be in my description bar below. The length, the style, direct length, everything, all that you need in order to get this exact same wig. I'll be showing you guys the products that I'm using to get the unit to look like it looks. I left it straight because it does come naturally straight. It comes colored like this as well. I'm going to show you guys a quick unboxing as well so you can see how it will come out of the packaging. But yeah, that's all. Now we're going to go ahead and jump into the clip so you can see how I install it. so that ends today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out some if you were thinking about getting a full scalp wig. Hopefully this will lead you in some direction of wanting to purchase one, or just seeing how my method is with installing them a little bit more, or a little bit easier. I think it was a pretty simple installation process. Y'all let me know in the comment section below. I'm really not sure, but I did try to make it as minimum as possible, so hopefully it helped. But that's all I have for you guys today. Thank you again to KriyyaHair for sending over today's wig. I thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye y'all.